Hi all, this is Naveen Kumar. Welcome to Post Market Analysis. So today you can see a flat, volatile closing in all indices. Okay. So Nifty has closed flat 24 points, Bank Nifty 64 points, Fin Nifty 30 points. Okay. So amid huge volatility, you can see a flat closing in all indices. So those who have done intraday straddles or double decker would have made a huge profits. Okay, so let's see chart analysis. So coming to Nifty in daily time frame Friday we have seen a shooting star which indicates sellers are getting activated. Okay, sellers are becoming stronger. So next, today there is a spinning top indicates a indecision candle in the market. So tomorrow if it breaks this level, we can expect a retracement for this swing. So we can say profit booking. Okay, so how you can plan the trades in this retracement is either you can go for DOS, directional option selling, like selling out of the money call options, or you can do straddles also. Okay, so usually correction will be, retracement will be time consuming, so you can take the benefit of theta decay. So coming to Bank Nifty daily time frame, so it has already given a retracement. Okay, so those who have done DOS at these levels, selling OTM call options would have been sitting in a profit now. Okay, so next let's see option chain analysis. So option chain in weekly time frame, 13th July expiry. On put side we have strong support at 19,000. 19,000 is a strong support for this week. So immediate support for Nifty is at 19,300. So 19,300 is the immediate support for Nifty. If it breaks the 19,300 levels, so next immediate support is at 19,200. Okay, so this is the tentative support levels for Nifty. Coming to resistance levels, we have 19,400. So huge open interest at 19,400. So 19,400 if it breaks on the upper side, next we can expect market to take resistance at 19,500. 2,21,000 O is there. So call sellers are sitting at 19,500. So for us, Nifty weekly range is between 19,000 to 19,500. So as an option trader, so keeping 100 or 150 points buffer, you can do short strangles on Nifty. So predicting the range is between from 19,000 to 19,500. So coming to stock specific, we have Titan. So Titan for swing trade, so today itself it has given 3% fall. Okay, so you already know that Titan was in all-time high, so we can expect some correction. Titan in weekly time frame also you can see a bearish engulfing which indicates the trend reversal. So bullish trend reversal. If it breaks this level, we can expect a bearish momentum in Titan. Okay, so you can consider this for positional or swing trade. Coming to tomorrow expectations, tomorrow, so for Nifty, so 19,300 is a strong support for Nifty as per chart analysis. 19,300 has to be broken on the downside to initiate a bearish trade. Okay, so on the upper side we have resistance at 19,520 levels. So this is the tentative support and resistance for Nifty. So if Nifty trades between this range, so we can consider it as a range bound market and you can do straddles and strangles in this range. Okay, so coming to Bank Nifty intraday time frames, 15 minutes. So we have strong support at 44,700 levels. So Bank Nifty to initiate a bearish trade, it has to break the support zone at 47,700 levels and has to take a retracement. Then only we can initiate a good bearish trade. Okay, so coming to resistance zone, so we can consider the day high as a resistance, 45,230 levels. So if it breaks the day high and make a price action, then you can initiate a good bullish trade. in Bank Nifty. Coming to stock specific, today the Reliance, the index heavyweight stock Reliance has given a huge momentum due to the news of demerger. Okay, so Reliance alone contributed 90% to Nifty. So coming to this week news, we have stock results coming up in this week. So June 12th, 13th, 14th and 15th, to particular stocks we have quarterly result. So those who are planning swing trades in these stocks, please plan accordingly. Okay, so thank you, see you tomorrow.